Didn't work. Come on. Gotta get him to roll over.
Yeah, it's almost impossible. He's gonna fall off the bed. What am I supposed to do? Just push him off the bed?
Yeah. He'll just be like, oh, I fell. Huh? You can do it. I'm recording you.
He's not even snoring.
I mean, if that's tolerable to you, then go ahead and leave it. But if not, it might just start getting worse. See, it got worse. It got worse. Like, what is that? It sounds like an elephant.
Come over and move his body,
Move this body. Man, we about to find your body.
You just gotta grab by the feet and turn it.
Grab it by the feet and turn it.
Grab the arms and feet. Just go move his feet over here. I'm asleep.
Oh my god, I can't believe he sleeps that hard.
Jesus Christ, this guy just wants to fall. Literally won't.
He's too big. He's too big for you.
You can do this.
I'm filming.
We're going to phone hard. I mean,
He like grabbed his arms and like tried to pull him over, and he still wouldn't do it.
I just don't want him to fall. I feel really warm.
Look, here's my friend Dave Brown sleeping. Look at his face. I had to show them this shit. It's so funny. I went down in the lobby. I could not find my sister. She's not down there.
She's probably in her car.
No, she came with me, and she doesn't have my keys.
Just roll over,
man.
Just roll over, man. You're like over the other guy.
How serious he's being.
He's quieter.
He's
quieter.
just gonna like lay here. What the fuck am I? Look how
I don't know.
serious.
Hold on. I gotta show you this video.
She's showing me the serious nature. Oh my god, this is really serious. Oh, I'm serious.
I'm
serious. I want to be serious.
Watch this shit. Watch this shit.
Oh my god.